Every component is assembled with absolute precision. A technician carefully secures a connecting rod to the crankshaft. In the Porsche 992.2, the crankshaft is forged from ultra-strong steel engineered to endure extreme RPM while maintaining flawless reliability. The connecting rods are incredibly strong, yet remarkably lightweight. Reducing rotational mass allows the engine to respond instantly to throttle input. Every bolt is tightened to an exact torque specification. Nothing is left to chance. This relentless attention to detail is what defines Porsche engineering. Each component is perfectly aligned, every motion, practiced and precise. Now, the crankshaft is gently lowered into the engine block, aligning perfectly with the bearing seats. Technicians secure it using main bearings critical components that ensure smooth rotation and long-term durability. A thin layer of sealant is carefully applied to the mating surfaces. Moments later, the two halves of the crankcase are joined together, sealing the heart of the legendary flat-six engine. Next come the cylinder head gasket. These essential components seal the combustion chambers and fluid channels, designed to withstand extreme heat and pressure inside the engine. Once the gaskets are in place, the cylinder heads are positioned carefully above the pistons and valves. Long head bolts are inserted and tightened evenly across the assembly, creating a perfect seal and structural integrity. Attention now turns to the camshaft. A timing gear is mounted onto it, connecting the camshaft to the timing chain. Every tooth must align perfectly to keep the engine synchronized. The timing cover is installed next, sealing the chain system and protecting it from debris. With steady hands, the technician installs 4 engine valves. Each valve must seat perfectly within the cylinder head. Even the slightest misalignment could lead to catastrophic failure. Precision here ensures optimal airflow and perfect combustion. Next, the wiring harness is carefully routed throughout the engine bay. This complex network powers sensors, ignition systems, and critical electronics. The air filter housing is installed soon after, supplying clean air directly to the engine intake. Now comes one of the most powerful components of the 992.2 engine, the carefully mounted onto the exhaust manifold. This turbine will dramatically increase the engine's power output. Driven by high-energy exhaust gases, the turbine spins at incredible speeds. Every connection is tightened precisely to prevent leaks or performance loss. With the turbo installed, the engine is nearly complete. The finished engine is placed onto a fully automated engine dolly and transported to the next workshop where it will soon be joined with the legendary PDK transmission. In another hall, craftsmanship takes on a different form. Inside a quiet leather workshop, a craftsman walks among suspended hides that resemble pieces of art. Each piece leather tells its own story through texture and grain. He selects a deep burgundy hide, carefully examining its surface. Then he moves to a jet black piece, feeling the grain with expert hands. This isn't just material, it's the soul of a Porsche interior. From a drawer, he retrieves a precision-carved Porsche emblem mold. A sheet of black leather is placed beneath the press. With controlled pressure, the iconic Porsche crest is embossed into the leather, etched permanently into its surface. The piece is inspected carefully before being stored, ready to become part of a handcrafted interior. In a nearby workshop, a seamstress begins stitching together pieces of black and white leather. Her movements are steady and practiced under her needle. The materials transform into the shape of an armrest. Each stitch reflects patience, precision, and decades of craftsmanship. Piece by piece, the interior of the Porsche 911 takes form, blending art with engineering. Another craftswoman carefully attaches the leather-wrapped armrest onto its plastic frame. With careful pressure, she smooths every contour, ensuring the leather fits perfectly. No wrinkle, no imperfection. This is where material meets mastery. After hours of meticulous work, the armrest emerges flawless wrapped like a second skin. Smooth, perfectly aligned, ready for installation. Meanwhile, inside the body shop, towering robotic arms begin their mechanical ballet. A robot lifts the side panel of the Porsche frame and places it precisely onto an assembly station. Moments later, other robotic arms glide into position, applying adhesive with flawless consistency. Another robot lifts the floor and lower chassis the foundation of the Porsche 911. Piece by piece, the panels are brought together. Side panels, floor, and roof unite to form the unmistakable silhouette of the Porsche 911. Robotic welders descend, fusing the body into a single unified structure. Doors are mounted with precision. Every hinge and latch is tested instantly, ensuring flawless operation. The newly formed body glides forward on the conveyor, ready for its next transformation. Technicians apply protective sealant to key joints and seams. This invisible barrier shields the body from corrosion for decades. A specialist then completes the final welds in areas unreachable by machines adding the human touch where robots cannot. Front fenders are carefully installed. Then comes the sculpted hood. With each new panel, the identity of the Porsche 911 begins to reveal itself. Soon, the completed body moves toward the paint shop where steel will gain color and personality. The body is lowered into galvanic baths of hot zinc. This process protects every surface of steel from corrosion. Next comes a primer bath. The body moves slowly through the liquid, coating every curve and hidden recess. It's a mesmerizing process, precise, rhythmic, almost hypnotic. The primer forms a smooth base layer for paint while strengthening corrosion resistance. When the body rises from the bath, it carries the promise of perfection. Inside the paint booth, robotic arms glide gracefully around the car. Fine layers of paint are sprayed with flawless consistency. Sensors monitor the exact thickness of every coating. Color is applied with care and emotion, whether a classic silver or bold racing red. Finally, a transparent, clear coat seals the paint, adding depth, gloss, and protection. Under inspection lights, technicians run their gloved hands across the surface. They search for imperfections invisible to the naked eye. Only perfection moves forward. Inside the assembly hall, the cockpit begins to take shape. Technicians install the multimedia display, ventilation systems, and digital instrument cluster. Wires are connected carefully behind the dashboard. Soon, the completed dashboard glides smoothly into the cabin and locks perfectly into place. The iconic Porsche crest is mounted onto the hood. The windshield and panoramic roof are installed with millimeter precision. Headlights slide into place instantly, giving the car its unmistakable face. Now the heart of the machine comes together. The engine and PDK transmission are joined as one unit, suspended by chains. The assembly is lowered onto the chassis. This moment when the body meets the chassis is known as the marriage. Two halves become one machine. The Porsche 911 is finally whole. Technicians install the wheels, seats, doors, and steering wheel. Bumpers snap into place. The continuous rear LED light bar completes the iconic rear signature. At last, the final inspection begins. Every panel, every bolt, every surface is tested and examined. Only when everything is flawless does the car move forward. And here it stands, the Porsche 911, an icon of performance, engineering, and timeless design, a machine where heritage meets innovation, a car built not just to drive but to inspire.